Ay,
opposition side totally opposed to the government side. Using condoms is not a suitable tool to secure the foreign actors. Condoms are hazardous without proper usage. Condoms do fail most of the time. It breaks and it freezes, as I said a while ago. The government also said that using condoms will benefit the foreign glass industry. There are viruses that can protect by simply wearing or using condoms. As the leader of the opposition, I will talk about how the goals of wearing condoms do not meet the goals of hardcore force. Wearing condoms is not a necessity in hardcore force. Necessity is the condition or quality of being necessary. Hardcore force is an extremely sexual act. In line with this, the use of condoms is totally opposed to the concept of hardcore force. Filmmakers believe that viewers prefer the reality of hypothetical sex. If hardcore force male stars would use condoms in their sexual act, as Adam Hinton said, the male lead in any porn movie could be played by some of the fire between penis to real. Porn male stars would be free to do their job. The use of condoms is not a necessity for porn male stars because of the following reasons. First, when we say hardcore porn, it obviously states that it is an extremely sexual act that when a porn male star uses a condom, it will definitely oppose to the true concept of sex. It wouldn't be like real if there is a barrier in between. Second, condoms might reduce the risk of AIDS, but they do not obviously eliminate AIDS. Furthermore, AIDS isn't the only STD. The condoms don't provide protection from STD spread by skin-to-skin contact. Third, condoms only provide protection when used properly as a barrier, and only to and from the area that's covered. This means that uncovered areas are still susceptible to many STDs. The goals of hardcore porn male stars to perform, to act, to play, and everything and anything in any position that would entertain the viewers.
ba't anak meron
This
ng
is
shoot ako?
stakeholders in the legal system. First, hardcore male stars would be involved in this act. Most of more male stars are taught how to build a good working relationship with condoms. Accidents may happen all the time while using condoms during the sexual act, and may lead only to dangerous effects on the foreign child. Second, the society. Allowing foreign male stars to wear condoms might give the society the wrong notion that extremely sexual intercourse through hardcore porn is okay, but they need to use condoms. This will create a big impact on the society as well as the pornographic issues. You just said that condoms defeats the concept of hardcore porn. Well, how can you say this when in fact hardcore porn involves BDSM, fetish film, and reality-based porn? Condom is a reality, so why wouldn't we integrate using condoms in the porn? Because condom, as hardcore porn, hardcore porn, it is an extremely sexual act. When we use condom, how can you basically use condom when it is useless? Because since we talk about hardcore, it will only be because it will break it because of the term hardcore, it is hard to squash sexual intercourse that needs a greater force. To continue with my case, for example, like a former porn star started in the porn industry in 2003. She was only 19 years old and she started doing music. Victoria supposedly invented progressive to the internet, where until she met an agent who brought her into the porn industry. There were reports of taking drugs and alcohol. When she got pregnant, she was grateful because she thought that it would be a valid reason for her to escape the industry, but his partner, the father of her child, forced her to continue her job that led her into losing her child. Some workers were condoms for teachers, which is was useless, because there was a time when she had a sexual intercourse with a male porn star that used condoms. It broke due to improper application. Also, when she had a sexual intercourse with a male porn star wearing condoms, it just adds more burden on her side, so it's more difficult to perform. This goes to show the danger of using condoms not worth the issue. It just adds more burden to the porn star, especially to women who suffer a lot. Also, without the proper usage of condoms, it will be useless. In addition to this, since we call it hardcore, it is not impossible that condoms will break and be useless because of the immensity of sexual intercourse. To synthesize my case, we oppose on the government side because hardcore is really an explicit sexual act which porn male and female stars are responsible in this act knows very well how to deal with it. In line with this, using condoms would not help them feel secure and protected, for they have been traumatized and psychologically affected. Condoms are not needed in hardcore porn. It will only be used